sa halagang $9.95. Gusto ko lang pahalagaan nyo yung subscription, no? Yung $9.95. Totoo talaga ang subscription. Only Live Good ang kayang mag-bless ng sino man dahil sa subscription. Ang daming subscription di ba? Huwag na kayo maghanap ng iba. Live Good lang. The question is, ikikip mo ba yung subscription mo? Iingatan mo ba yung subscription mo dito sa Live Good? Iingatan mo ba yung vision na nakita mo dito sa Live Good? So alam nyo, dahil sa subscription, sa halagang $9.95, gusto ko lang makita nyo yung future nyo na po pwedeng maranasan nyo. Kasi kahit ako, hindi ako makapaniwala na mararanasan natin to. Please watch this video.
To Casa Arabella Private Hot Spring Resort, your perfect escape nestled in the serene setting of Matapat Street, Barangay Lalakay, Los Baños, Laguna. At Casa Arabella, we offer more than just a stay. We offer an experience you'll never forget. With 5 spacious air-conditioned bedrooms, each with its own private toilet and bath, comfort and convenience are at the heart of your stay. Upstairs, the entertainment begins. Challenge your friends to a game of billiards or belt out your favorite tunes in the air-conditioned music room. Take a dip in the beautifully lit swimming pool. Relax beneath the twinkling string lights of our serene waterfall, or let the kids splash and play in the bubbly kiddie pool. Love to cook? Our fully equipped open kitchen and spacious dining hall are perfect for family feast and shared laughter. At the heart of the space, 2 long wooden tables sit for 20 with blending warmth and sleek design. Perfect for shared meals, meetings, or special events. Kick back and relax in the open living area, complete with a 65-inch smart TV, Netflix, YouTube, and a powerful JBL video audio system. Let the little ones roam and play freely in the dedicated play area, while kids and kids at heart share laughter and have a friendly competition while playing the soccer table. With secure parking for 3 to 4 cars on site and extra space just outside, getting here is as easy as relaxing once you arrive. Venture up to the rooftop and be embraced by the breathtaking view of Laguna Lake and the iconic Mount Makiling. Whether you're savoring a cup of coffee as the sun rises or unwinding with the fading glow of dusk, the beauty around you is truly captivating. Whether it's for rest, celebration, or quality time with loved ones, Casa Arabella is your private paradise in Los Baños.
So, in just a year, Coach Pinky, na ipatayo natin yan, So, 2 years na tayo dito kay Live Good. Balikan natin yung binanggit kanina ni Evelyn at binanggit ko rin, Ano kaya ang naghihintay sa atin 5 to 10 years from now? Kung you will stay. Or else, kung magpapasilaw ka sa ibang opportunity, it's your decision, karapatan mo yun, Pero if I were you, kayong lahat na blessed, na nakikinig dito, gusto ko kayong makasama ng matagal dito kay Live Good. Back to you, Coach Pinky.
Thank you so much, Coach. Oh my goodness. Guys, napakaganda ng Casa Arabella and I was there. Ganda-ganda talaga. So maybe one of these days visit rin kayo kay sa Casa Arabella ni Coach Fernan. So can you imagine, guys, about $9.95 lang yung decision. Tapos now look at Coach Fernan has this Casa Arabella, Coach Evelyn Bernal nakapagtayo ng tawag nito, bahay para sa family. So talagang it's up to you guys, you know, talagang kailangan nyo lang talaga na you have to take action para you will go there and mapagsimulan nyo. Hindi lang big dream talaga ang dapat. So, again, bago ako magano, nagpapasalamat muna ako, Coach Fernan, talaga for a wonderful presentation. Kahit putol-putol yung ano natin, di ba?
Yeah, pag may struggle, may blessing. Di
May
ba?
blessing pa
So,
rin, oo.
binawi natin, no?
Oo,
May struggle, meron tayong pagsubok, pero lahat na nag-stay na bless ngayong gabi na to. Di ba, Coach Phil? Thank you,
yes.
everyone.
Coach, mag-ano muna ako ng closing remarks ko and then we will have take picture. Ibalik natin mamaya si Coach si Coach Evelyn. Pagpapasalamat lang ako to everyone na who stayed until the end. Today, guys, we just don't say goodbye, okay? We welcome you to your next chapter. Welcome to the Live Good family and to our Dream Makers Worldwide community. We are so excited to build and grow together with you. So do not stop here. Reach out to the person who invited you and say, I am ready. Let them know that you want to start your journey today. Para ano din kayo, nakikita mo yung how your $99.95. And of course, if you want to be part of the business, you have to pay the $40, right? So yun. So, and also thank you so much, Coach Fernan, again, our visionary leader. Talagang you are always there, leading all the way. So your leadership coach, light us, whatever, you know, mga struggles namin, you are there. And thank you as well to our dedicated IT behind the scene. You know, your support is very, very appreciated. And once again, this is your coach Pinky signing off with love and gratitude. To God be the glory. Stay blessed and see you again tomorrow morning for another basic training.